Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful motif titled Saturn motif, and I have used sky light blue color yarn and violet to make this particular swatch. So without making much ado, let us go into the video directly and learn how to make this particular motif. Chain 8, slip stitch to the first chain and make a ring. Oh God. Place 12 double crochets in the chain. So you can chain 3 and begin as the chain 3 is considered as the double. Otherwise, pull up the loop, twist, insert, pick up the yarn, pull through this, and behind the twisted yarn you'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. So your DC, first DC is made. So make 11 more DCs. I shall also complete and get back. I've completed round 1 with 12 DCs. Now in every DC we have to place 2 DC cluster, chain 3, 2 DC cluster in the next. So every DC will have 2 DC cluster separated by chain 3. To make this 2 DC cluster, chain 3, make an incomplete DC and complete it. Otherwise, like me, make a standing double crochet. Don't complete it. One more double crochet in the same space. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Now chain 3, place a cluster in the next DC. So incomplete number 1, incomplete number 2 DC, and complete. So place these stitches all around in each of the DCs. I shall also complete and get back to you. I've come to the end of the round here. I place my last cluster. Instead of chaining 3 and slip stitching here, I'm going to chain 1 and place a half double crochet in the first cluster so that I get my chain to the center of the chain 3 space here. Now having got that, pull up the loop and make a single crochet into the same space and place a stitch marker to know that stitch marker under these 2 loops, so that this is our single crochet when we come back. Chain 4, single crochet in the next chain loop. So every chain loop is going to have a single crochet separated by 4 chains. So complete this round. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of this round here. Now I want to bring back this loop back here, hence I'm going to make a treble in this SC. So here we go. Now chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same space. One more single crochet, and this single crochet you place a stitch marker. We need to come and slip stitch, fasten off, then chain 3. Now here 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets. This is the stitch repeat for every chain 4 space. So I shall make one more, 2 singles, chain 3, 2 single crochets. So place these stitches in each of the chain 4 spaces. I shall also complete and get back to you. I've come to the end of the round here. Slip stitch to the first single crochet and fasten off. So I shall fasten off and I shall be back with color B. With right side facing, join color C to any of the chain 3 spaces with a slip stitch, chain 2, and 2 incomplete DCs and complete the first cluster, chain 4 and place a cluster again in the same chain space, 3 DC cluster. Sorry. And again in the next chain 3 space, 3 DC cluster, chain 4, 3 DC cluster. This is the chain 4 and 3 DC cluster again. Pull through all of them. So place 3 DC cluster, chain for 3 DC cluster in each of the chain 3 spaces. I shall also complete and get back. We'll come to the end of this round here, slip stitch to the first bobble, and now this round you're going to work a little differently. Yeah, this is the place, and in the same place make a, in the same bobble make a single crochet for chain 1 and single crochet. The same chain 1 does not count as a stitch, single crochet, and every chain 4 space will have 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet. 1, every chain 4 space, sorry, chain 3, 2 single crochets. Now we are not working on this bobble, we are going to skip this bobble, and in the next bobble you are going to place a single crochet, and in the chain 4 space 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets. Skip the next, sorry, not bobble, next cluster, and in the skip the next cluster, and then in the next cluster single crochet. So in the sets of 2 clusters here, the first cluster will have single crochet, the second one will not have it, so it's going to skip. So every chain 4 space has got 2 singles, chain 3, 2 singles, and then skip the next cluster and start with a single on the next cluster. Continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you when I complete and get back. I've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet that we made here and fasten off. So I shall also single crochet and fasten off and hide the yarn behind. Now for right now I'll place the stitch marker. So here we go. This is titled, this is the Saturn motif. It is titled as Saturn motif, and it is worked in 2 colors, the light and the dark contrasting color. So it's a 6 round motif. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please do subscribe our Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Okay, do like and share too, please. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, friends. Bye for now. Have a great day.